We are committed to put the people at the center, to put their justice needs at their center, and to respond to their aspirations and their expectations. All the decisions that we make must address their needs. Therefore, as we unveil the Judiciary's 2022-2023 State of the Judiciary and Administration of Justice report and the Judiciary's 10-year strategic blueprint, Social Transformation Through Access to Justice, 2023 to 2033, we are entering a new era, and I'm happy you have joined us to enter this era together, an era where justice is a right for all, not a privilege for a chosen few. In presenting the State of the Judiciary and Administration Report 2022-2023, we are reaffirming our commitment to transparency and accountability. This report narrates our journey, highlighting both our achievements and challenges in the last financial year. In the financial year 2022-2023, our courts saw cases filed, 423,394 new cases were filed. Ladies and gentlemen, 419,262 of them were resolved, which means 99% case clearance rate. You need to appreciate the judiciary for that. This rate of case clearance marks a 5% improvement from the previous year. Additionally, the judiciary reduced its case backlog, case pending for a year, by 18% from 336,119 to 276,678 cases. That is something also to acknowledge, especially for the judges who are present here, because they work their fingers to the bone trying to meet the deadlines and reduce backlog. I am internally so grateful to the judges, judicial officers, our tribunals, our magistrates, our caddies, for your handwork. Thank you very much. The judiciary